Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the billing administration panel within the EMR form. The billing administration section of the EMR form is designed to streamline the process of selecting and billing the correct consultation and procedure codes for emergency room services provided to the patient. After choosing the appropriate codes, the practitioner can easily add them to an invoice. Additionally, selecting specific options and fields will automatically generate the relevant billing codes, saving the practitioner valuable time when processing the patient's treatment. In this video, we will start on an open EMR form. For more information regarding the EMR form and how to access it, please refer to the EMR Form Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Billing Administration panel to open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections displayed on this panel. Consultations will use billing codes that directly correspond to the interaction between the patient and practitioner during the emergency room visit. Please note that the consultation codes provided are the most commonly used billing codes for emergency room visits and are preset in the EMR form. These codes cannot be manually changed as they are pre-configured and programmed into the system. Click on the button of the desired code to utilize. Once a consultation code has been selected, the bottom of the code will be highlighted in blue and will automatically populate under the General Billing Code section down below. To deselect the button, simply click on the button once more. Click the No Charge button to indicate that a specific service or item is being provided at no cost to the patient. This might include free medication samples, waived fees for certain tests or procedures, or complimentary services. Once done, the Quick Note will be added to the clinical sidebar as shown. On the Quick Note screen, you may utilize the text field or additionally insert pictures or voice notes regarding the no charge options given. To learn more about the Quick Note, please refer to the How to Make Quick Notes user manual linked in this video's description. To return to the EMR form, simply click on its respective name on the clinical sidebar. Also, the no charge billing code will be added under the General Billing Code section. Procedures use billing codes that are directly related to the treatments provided to the patient in the emergency room. Please note that once again, the listed procedure codes are the most commonly used in the emergency room settings and cannot be manually altered, as they are pre-configured and programmed into the EMR form. Click on the desired procedure codes. Like before, the general code will populate under the General Billing Code section and will behave just like the Billing Codes button shown earlier. Next, click on the Select a Procedure drop-down menu and select the appropriate option for a pre-set-up list of procedures if applicable. After selecting the procedure, it will once again populate in a General Billing Code section down below. Please note that for procedure codes 2025 and 2026, an attention pop-up will appear once selected. The pop-up will prompt you to indicate that you confirm that you have inserted a cannula for the patient. Once done, click on the OK button. The General Billings item section allows the practitioner to add procedure codes for procedures performed that are not included in the pre-configured procedure list or buttons available in the procedures section of the form. The information of the General Billing Codes will be divided into columns. To add additional billing codes, click on the Tap to Search field to manually search and add codes. Alternatively, click on the ellipse button and search for the desired codes from here. To learn more regarding the Search Procedure screen, please refer to the Procedure, Material, Medicine, Macro, ICD-10 Search Code Lookup user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Quantity field to change the number of times specific interventions or procedures have occurred, or how many medicines or materials need to be billed. Once done, click on the Add button. Each item in a General Billing Code section will be assigned an identifier, which will give an indication of how the item was used. A indicates that the item in the General Billing Code section was automatically added when a specific test was requested in the Doctor Triage and History and Special Investigation section of the EMR form. For more information on how to use the Doctor Triage and History section, as well as the Special Investigation section of the EMR form, please refer to the EMR Form, Doctor Triage and History, and EMR Form Special Investigations user manuals, both linked in this video's description. Next, M signifies that the item was added by manually entering the information in the Billing Administration section of the form. Click on the Delete button to remove an item from the list. To add any additional information regarding the form, click on the General Note text field and complete with the relevant information. Now, click on the Add to Invoice button to add all the items which have been added to the General Billing Code section to an invoice. An attention pop-up will appear to ask whether you would like to add items to the invoice and to warn you that no other additions can be made to the invoice from the EMR screen. Click on the Yes button. The Billing and Administration panel will be completed, and you can now navigate to the Invoice tab. The billing codes added will be displayed on this screen. To learn more regarding this screen, please refer to the Invoice Screen Navigation and Use user manual, linked in this video's description.